Yo. What's happening, my people? So, new shoes.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
You see it in the description. You know what this is. And I wish I was the YouTuber that had every pair of new shoes and got them early and this and that. That ain't me. But I like to show y'all my pickups and stuff. And this one right here, this is something that people slept on. People, rightfully so, man, because they was like $220 at the gate. And the colorway ain't the best in the world and stuff and different things. I started seeing them for cheap. So I was like, if they go for a certain price, I'm probably get them or whatever. So what this is Air Jordan 11 Platinum Tints. So the story on these, I got these on my carry. They were going for 100. I offered 85. Just see if they take it. I was gonna pay for 100 for them. They took the 85. So if they wound up, they were a little dirty. I cleaned them up. I have a separate video of that. I'll link it somewhere. Put it in the description. But you'll see that certain things like they still have like these creases. I'm not messing with that because in this back part that's not leather. That's like all the new buck as well. And so I ain't really want to put no iron on the new buck and stuff. This upper, that's kind of why I wanted them as well. Like that all, I can't say white. It's more of a cream. So I don't know where to get the platinum from. Me in my mind, platinum is like white gold, silverish looking, like with the rappers that used to wear platinum and shit. Like this is more like an eggnog, cream type color. But thing I disliked and liked about it is that there is no patent leather. So I was like, where's some 11s with no patent leather? I'm like, something to add in the collection, and they were cheap. So that's always a good thing in my eyes. But you see this, they have the netting material that they have on a lot of 11s. They probably could have changed that. Maybe if they would have put like some leather, like some flat leather with in the cream colorway, maybe that would have made them stand out a little bit. But you got the netting or whatever. But the thing about it, they were premium prices. But I don't think this material is necessarily premium, because this isn't suede. This is more of a new buck. It's not like you're gonna run your fingers over this and it's gonna change or whatever. It's not buttery or whatever. The bottom has that creamy color as well. This right here, the midsole, that's the only white part. So that's white. Got the creamish color, and they got them hints of, I'm gonna say red. They probably got some more fancier color or whatever. But they got that 23 in the back. Got that the film, whatever. I don't know why they don't want to like stitch it on all the Jordans. Like every Jordan should be stitched on 23, 45, whatever in the back. But it's something that you've seen. I know y'all done seen these before. Got them big rope laces, third spacing on them and whatever. Don't necessarily need to give a big review for them. Just give you an oversight. Like $85 for a $220 pair of shoes. You can say $220 because they'll probably retail, but you can find them in outlets and stuff, or they have been in outlets. I don't know if they still are, but they have been outlet bound. So I know you probably could have got them new for 100 something or whatever. But for $85, man, or it was gonna be 100. The only bad thing, didn't send the box, but the box wasn't pictured in the pictures. But I kind of was just hoping. I was like in my mind, like I hope they got the box. Like all the recent shoes I've been buying, man, I've been so caught up in trying to catch these cheap prices, man. I ain't been getting no boxes. So they got a few shoes, man. I don't know if I'm keeping them or not, because I hate not having the box, because then you gotta just scatter your shoes out and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna do an on foot of these. Give you like maybe 2 looks. I'm gonna show you like maybe like 3 looks. Give you some shorts, jeans, and joggers probably, but just show you. Yeah, I'll be back. Right? So you see me dance and prance around and show you these shoes. So hopefully you enjoyed the video and my unhealthy habit of keep getting these shoes. Shit, just in a little time they feel a little dirty-ish. Yeah, it's flooding and everything down here, so they would not get any burn for a little minute. Louisiana is the wrong place for an all white-ish type shoe. But anyways, man, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't be the greatest and the most hated. I did a video how I cleaned these up, like the before and after, so you can watch that as well. Like, just, well, you'll see. Shit, I'll let you boy. Peace out.